it's your girl Lulu here, and I am back with another video. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoyed this video and like and subscribe. If you are a returning Rich Chick babe, welcome back, babes. So today I'm just gonna go over how I prepare for the semester as a nursing student. So usually before school starts, you'll get reading assignments and you'll possibly get your clinical schedule and everything going. So what happened this semester was I had already started jotting down my schedule for the semester, so that way I never miss a key deadline, or you know, I don't miss any assignments, because once the school year starts and I get all of my syllabi, I will color code. So these are each of my classes that I'll be taking this semester, and they have their own color, so that way I know what class the assignment is for, and I'll be able to go ahead and complete those assignments for that class as I go. And I try to do the assignment at least one day ahead, so that way I'll be done with that assignment before the assignment is actually due and I'm not scrambling for time. So what I did was, because my clinical schedule got put out, but then it got changed after I completed my planner. So I have two planners, excuse me. I have two planners. This one is my pocket planner. So this one has all of my appointments, anything that I have going on throughout the semester, so that way I don't overbook myself or do anything that it's not going to align with my schedule. I keep this with me when I go out daily, so I'm not going to replace this one. I did copy over my schedule into this one, but I'll take the L on scratching it out in this planner. But I went and bought a new planner from Walmart, and I'm going to go ahead and be able to fill out everything within these pages. I don't know if y'all can see that. Within these pages, they have fine lines, so I'm able to describe the assignments on this section. But as far as my clinical days and things that I'll have to do, I use this section to say, hey, I'll be at such and such hospital, I'll be doing this clinical rotation, I'll be doing, you know, sim lab, or I'll be doing, this one is a more like broad, okay, you have this to do, you have to be at this place, and this da-da-da. Any like clinical days we have to come in that's unexpected or anything like that, I'll go ahead and jot that here. But for specific assignments, I go ahead and I use the inside to detail the assignments with my specific colors, just to keep me organized as far as school. So as far as doing my books, I do tab out my books, which make it easier. So when we're in class and we have to bring in our books and the professor says, hey, you know, turn to module this, or you know, something like that, it's easy for me to just switch it over, and then I just control the pages, and once I get to a page, it's easier for me to navigate to the next page, so that way I'm not scrolling through the book for the different pages. It just makes life easier as you're going. And as far as my setup, you see, as I mentioned before, I have my vision board here. Now this is my vision board from 2022, and this is my vision board from, I believe, 2019. Nope, I'm sorry, 2021. That was the year before 2022. So I have my vision board because why? My vision board is not complete for the year. It's, well, not for the year, but it's not complete. So I'm still gonna look at these visions every day. And I have my computer here, which is at a height, so that way I don't strain my neck, because I do have neck and back problems. And then I have my keyboard here. It is up a little bit on the lever, so that way when I'm typing, I have no problem with that. I do have a huge calendar underneath here, and when I have work or anything, I like to place my work schedule, or if I'm going out of town, I like to put that stuff here just in case I need to, you know, quickly look up and look at it, see when I have to go into work or anything like that. As far as my ATI book for the semester, I am going to be tabbing this book out as well. I'll be using the smaller tab. So for my bigger textbooks, I use these tabs from Walmart. but I do have the smaller tabs that I'm going to tab this book out as well. So I'll tab here and I'll tab down to the sides. So if you ever want to see a video of me tabbing a book, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll get that video out to you guys. And as far as my notebooks for the semester, I am a paper person, so I do use these, and I print out my PowerPoint, so I put it in outline format. I print it out, and then any notes that I may have, like any questions I may have, or anything my professor may say in class that doesn't, you know, necessarily correlate with the PowerPoint, I'll go ahead and jot that down. But I like to come in with my PowerPoint already done, and print it out if possible. Sometimes they're a little late getting it up, but I like to get it printed out and bring that into class with me, so that way I can highlight anything they say that's important, and then I can also go ahead and jot down any necessary information. And these are one subject notebooks, so I have it tailored to one specific class. It's already packed up in my school bag for the semester, so I'm just showing you guys with a blank one that I have. And thus far, that is it. If you guys have any videos you'd like to see from me, any recommendations, any things you may like or don't like about a video, please share those comments with me. This is a, you know, a constructive criticism zone. I am willing and open to hear, because we're family, and family gives constructive criticism. Whoop, I can't talk, but you know, I am open, and I just want to say thank you for your support thus far. I hope you continue on this journey with me, and I hope you share this with your friends who may embark on this journey as well, or any other things that I may share. I just hope that you get that information out to your friends and family as well. But that's all for today, babes. I'm not going to drag this video out. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Love ya.